We are grinding wet, 3-month-old yard waste at the rate of 15 to 20 tons per hour. The grinding action is fully enclosed. Material is not thrown out of the machine as you find with other type grinders. Note how wet the material is, and the KID II can still process it. The feed roll meters material to the rotor in hammers. Even palm fronds can be reduced to uniform small particles for easy composting. Construction debris with considerable foreign material is easily ground by the KID II. The material is mixed with manure for fast, efficient composting. Even larger pieces of construction debris are easily reduced to small particles by the KID II grinder. The KID II will handle branches up to 8 inches in diameter and any length, producing an excellent grind for mulching or composting. Cardboard and cardboard boxes are converted to small particles for composting or animal bedding. The same for telephone books. Note the excellent grind and high capacity. Old newspapers can be ground for composting or bedding. The KID II will easily reduce normal household garbage to small particles for composting. Pallets are reduced to small uniform chips. There you have the wide versatility of the innovative KID II waste material grinder.